Hello students, this video is about question and answers of the class 6th science chapters.
Chapter 11 Getting to know plants. Exercise questions. First main multiple choice questions. Here you have to select the correct option. First question, tendrils help the plants in. The given options are A. Protection, B. Catching the prey, C. Climbing on other plants, D. Respiration. Here the correct answer is option C. Climbing on other plants. Tendrils help the plants in climbing on other plants. Second question, male reproductive part of a flower. Options are A. Carpels, B. Stamens, C. Sepals, D. Petals. Here the correct answer is option B. Stamens. Male reproductive part of a flower, stamen. Third question, taproots are present in. Option A. Carrot, B. Wheat, C. Rice, D. Grass. Taproots are present in carrot. Fourth question, the spines of a cactus plant are modified. The given options are A. Stems, B. Leaves, C. Roots, D. Flowers. Here the correct answer is option B. Leaves. The spines of a cactus plant are modified leaves. Fifth question, banyan tree possesses. The given options are A. Supporting roots, B. Stem tendrils, C. Modified leaves, D. Storage roots. Here the correct answer is supporting roots. Banyan tree possesses supporting roots. Sixth question, a bulb is option A. Ginger, B. Turnip, C. Onion, D. Potato. Here the correct answer is option C. Onion. A bulb is onion. Seventh question, a plant having parasitic roots. Option A. Radish, B. Dodder, C. Rice, D. Banyan. Here the correct answer is option B. Dodder. A plant having parasitic roots, dodder. Eighth question, green leaf-like structures at the base of the flower. Option A. Petals, B. Sepals, C. Stamens, D. Anthers. Here the correct answer is option B. Sepals. Green leaf-like structures at the base of the flower is sepals. Now second main, B. Fill in the blanks. Here first one, pollen grains are produced in dash. Pollen grains are produced in anther. Second one, maize plant has dash roots. Maize plant has fibrous roots. Third one, ginger is a modified dash. Ginger is a modified stem. Fourth, leaves are green as they contain dash. Leaves are green as they contain chlorophyll. Fifth, the tiny pores present on the leaf surface are called dash. The tiny pores present on the leaf surface are called stomata. Pollen grains are produced in anther. Maize plant has fibrous roots. Ginger is a modified stem. Leaves are green as they contain chlorophyll. The tiny pores present on the leaf surface are called stomata. Third main, C. State true or false. against the following sentences. First one, leaves hold the plant upright. False. Second, potato is a root. Potato is a root. True. Third, the sugarcane plant has fibrous roots. True. Fourth one, internode is the leafless portion of stem. This is also true. Fifth, plants carry out photosynthesis without carbon dioxide. False. So at a glance we will see leaves hold the plant upright. False. Potato is a root. True. The sugarcane plant has fibrous roots. True. Internode is the leafless portion of stem. True. Plants can carry out photosynthesis without carbon dioxide. False. Next mean D. Match the items of column A with those of column B. In the column A, it is given as tendril, radicle, ovules, fibrous root, midrib. You have to match it with the column B. Tendrils. So example is grapevine. Radicle. It is a root. Ovules. These are seeds. Fibrous root. Mage. Midrib. Vein. Next mean E. Show differences between in tabular form the following. First one, sepals and petals. Second, taproots and fibrous roots. Third, nodes and internodes. First difference, sepal and petal. What are sepals? It is the outermost part of the flower which is mostly green in color. Whereas the petals are next to sepals and are brightly colored and scented. Second difference is taproot and fibrous root. What are taproot? Taproot possesses a main root from which a number of branch roots arise. Example, pea and tulsi. Fibrous root. In fibrous roots, a number of fine fiber-like roots arise from the base of the stem. Example, wheat and maize. Third difference, that are nodes and internodes. What are nodes? Nodes are the point on the stem from where a leaf comes out. Internodes are the parts of the stem between two nodes. Next main, F. Give reason. First question, why does cactus modify its leaves into spines? Why does cactus modify its leaves into spines? In cactus, plant leaves modify into spines to check the loss of water from the plant, as the cacti are xerophytic plants. Second question, why is stem of cactus fleshy and green? Why is stem of cactus fleshy and green? Answer, stem of cactus is fleshy and green because it stores water and produces food by photosynthesis. Question B. Suman spread a layer of grease on both the surfaces of all the leaves of a plant. He then put it in the sun and watered it every day. What will he observe after a week? It must be WEEK, after a week. Answer. Grease checks the process of gaseous exchange, transpiration and photosynthesis, which results death of plant. Question C. Sonu set up an apparatus as shown alongside. After keeping the apparatus for some time in the sun, he found that some gas was collected at the top part of the test tube. Which gas could be that? Here the correct answer is oxygen. Oxygen is collected at the top part of the test tube. Next main G, short answer type questions. First question is, name an insectivorous plant. Which part of the plant body is modified in these plants? Answer, pitcher plant, and part of the plant body is leaf. Second question, name any three functions each of flower and leaf. Name any three functions each of flower and leaf. Answer, first we will see functions of flower. First one, functions of flower, role in reproduction and multiplication. Second, it is a good source of food, example cauliflower. Third, some flowers are useful for the production of perfumes. Now functions of leaf. First, manufacture of food by photosynthesis. Second, gaseous exchange through stomata. Third, vegetative propagation for producing new plants. So these are the three functions each of flower and leaf. Third question, what is transpiration? What is transpiration? Answer, the loss of water in the form of water vapors by the green parts of plants is called transpiration. It occurs through the tiny pores stomata. Fourth question, write at least 5 functions of stem. 5 functions of stem. Answer, functions of stem. First, stems of some plants such as potato, onion, ginger, etc. store food. Second, the bark of cinchona tree provides us quinine, a medicine. Third, the stem of some plants provide us fibers such as jute and cotton. Fourth, stems of certain plants secrete resins and gums. Fifth, stems of some timber plants are used for making furniture, homes, etc. Next main H, long answer type questions. First question, describe the structure of a seed with the help of a labeled diagram. Answer, here structure of seed is given in the diagram. It is consisting of embryo, plumule, radicle, cotyledon and seed coat. Structure of seed. A seed contains an embryo which is a baby plant. It has 3 parts, plumule, radicle and cotyledons. A seed contains an embryo which is a baby plant. It has 3 parts, plumule, radicle and cotyledons. The plumule of embryo forms the shoot system and the radicle of the embryo forms the root system. The cotyledons provide nourishment to the embryo. Second question. Describe the structure and functions of leaf with the help of labeled diagram. Answer. Here parts of a leaf is given. It is consisting of a midrib, petiole, lamina, leaf base. We'll see the explanation of this. The leaf is flattened, thin, green structure borne on the stem. It arises from the node of a stem or its branches. The flat green part of the leaf is known as the leaf blade or lamina, which is attached to the stem by means of a short stalk called petiole. The region of attachment of the leaf with the stem is called leaf base. The leaf blade has many fine veins forming network. The thick vein in the center is called midrib. Now, functions of leaf. Leaf is useful for the manufacture of food. Leaf is useful for gaseous exchange. It is also useful for the purpose of transpiration and vegetative propagation. Third question. How can you experimentally demonstrate the transportation of water in plants? Answer. So this is the figure for transportation of water in plant. To demonstrate that water is transported in plants, we use a beaker which contain about 1/3 of water. Add few drops of red ink to the water. Cut the base of the stem of a herbaceous plant and put it in the beaker as shown. After some hours, cut the stem across and we look the red color inside the stem. So this shows that there is a transportation of water in plants. Next section I, diagram based questions. First question A, label the following diagram correctly. Here some figures are given and you have to identify it. In the first figure, you have to identify this first one. What is it? It is a leaf blade. Second, it is a midrib. Third one, it is vein. Fourth, it is leaf base. Second one, which of the structures of P and Q is more important for the plant to produce and why? So this one is P, leaf. This is a Q. It is lateral structure of a flower. P is a leaf, whereas Q is a lateral structure of a flower. Q is more important structure for the plant to reproduce because it contains all sexual parts of a plant. Question 2a. Label the parts shown here correctly. Here first one is stigma. Second one is anther. Third one is stamen. Fourth is style. Fifth is sepal. 1 stigma, 2 anther, 3 stamen, 4 style, 5 sepal. Question B. Label the parts of the plant. Here, first one is a flower. Second indicates leaf. Third indicates fruit. Fourth indicates stem. Fifth indicates root. So, these are the parts of a plant: flower, leaf, fruit, stem and root. Question C. Classify the following plants into herbs, shrubs and trees and write them in respective places. Here it is given mango, carrot, radish, pinus, coconut, coriander, rose, tulsi, aloe vera, neem, potato, ginger, lemon, apple, orange, babul, papaya, sugarcane, mustard. So, what you have to do? You have to classify into herbs, shrubs and trees. Answer we will see. Herbs. Here carrot, radish, coriander, tulsi, aloe vera, potato, ginger, mustard. All these are herbs. And shrubs are rose, lemon, babul, sugarcane. Trees. Trees are pinus, mango, coconut, neem, apple, papaya, orange. Next main J. Horse questions. First question. Some modified roots and stems are eaten by humans. What is the usefulness of modification in plant parts? Answer. Roots of some plants are modified to perform special functions such as plants like radish, carrot, turnip, sweet potato and beetroot store food in the roots and become fleshy. Stems of some plants are modified to perform special functions such as in potato and ginger, stem is enlarged and underground. It stores food. Second question. Why are potato, onion and ginger not considered roots? Answer. In potato, onion and ginger, the stem is enlarged and underground. It stores food in stem. So, not considered as root. Now, next main K, value based question. Here, we will see the question here. Sneha's father is a farmer. He grows vegetables, fruits and crops. According to him, eating of roots of some plants is good for our health. On the basis of our information, answer the following questions. First question, do you agree with Sneha's father? Yes. B. Name two such plant roots which can be eaten. Answer. Radish and carrot. Question C. Which component of food we get the most from such roots if eaten raw? Answer. Fibers.
Fibers are the food components we get from the roots if eaten raw.